Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to have a little fun. We're going to have a food challenge. We're going to make Penny's dad's recipe for potato pancakes. And then my granddaughter's coming over with her recipe. She's going to make her version of a potato pancake. They are a little different. Well, they got potatoes, so they're about the same. But putting them together is a little different. So we're going to try to make 2 videos of that, and then the third video will be who reigns supreme. We're going to do the taste test and see which recipe is better. So without further ado, let's get to Mr. Ed's recipe. Okay, I was going to use my skillet, but I figured I can cook more by putting them on the griddle at one time, so we can get that out of the way. So I got some cooking spray back there. This is not 0 points, by the way. Okay, so then I got some mashed potatoes that are already mashed up, and I got a diced onion mixed in there, and some jalapeno that we decided to do. And then got 1 cup of flour. Got 2 eggs I'm going to beat up. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then you just cook them like a pancake. Pretty easy, huh? All right. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to beat up an egg, or 2. You got a fork. Now I've already got salt and pepper in there when I made the potatoes the other day. Okay, so I'm going to pour this right in here. Okay, there's that. Then we're going to take and sprinkle some of our flour in there. And then I got to get a teaspoon. I found my dang teaspoon thing, so I'm going to use this one, huh? 1 3/4. There we go. 1 teaspoon right here. And we're using 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. And then we're just going to mix all of this. And then we're going to incorporate the rest of the flour in there. I might put my hands in here in a minute. But it's pretty easy. And I used to have these when I was a kid. Well, not all the time, but my grandma used to make them. I didn't know how she made them because I was a little kid. Then I made a couple of them years ago myself. I had them with pork chops and applesauce and whatever was sauerkraut. I can't remember all the stuff I had with it, but anyway, Miss Hailey's coming over. She's all excited, so we're going to be doing a couple videos together. She loves pizza, so we're making a pizza, but we're not going to do a video of that. So I got the griddle set at 350, and that's what we're sticking to it. Just between 350 and 325 is what I got of that. I think there's going to be time to mix in with my hands here. Yep, we're just going to put the old hands in the best mixing machine you got. It's pretty moist though. And I mixed my potatoes. When I mixed them up, I put some butter in there, a little bit of milk, or half and half I used. I didn't have any milk. Okay, so I think that's pretty well mixed. So I'm going to swing you guys around to the grill side. We get some of this here potato. We don't want to waste it. It's good stuff. I don't have potatoes that often, you know. So I'm going to have me a piece of one anyway today. All right, let me move you guys around. Okay, so now I'm going to spray some cooking spray on my surface here. Okay. Now I wonder what we should do. Let's see. I think I'm going to use one of my portion scoops and we'll scoop it out. Okay, I think I got the portion scoop I want, so. So what I'm doing is I'm mixing it, I scoop it out and I'm putting it into a ball shape. And then from there, sticking it on the griddle and pushing down with my fingers gently, trying to keep it a nice round shape. And we're going to cook them till they're golden brown. It's going to take a few minutes on each side. Oop, back in there, get in there. Okay. I'll do one more of these. The old wet in the hand trick. Works all the time. Okay, I'm going to get the rest of this hopefully laid out, maybe not, but I'm going to try to get it laid out, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, these are pretty hefty little potato pancakes here, but I'm just following the recipe. He said cook them like a pancake. That's how I make my pancakes. So that's all I got. That's roughly 3 cups of potatoes in there. So once these brown up some more, I'll show you when I flip them. Okay, so you can see I got a nice golden color on them. And I didn't get the ones back in the end yet because I put those on last. They're probably not as nice as these ones here are. They're nice, tell me. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, these have been cooking about a total of 10 minutes so far, but they're not quite done yet. They're getting there, but they all look really nice. Okay, I flipped them a couple times here, real quick. See how nice and golden brown they're getting? They're getting a little darker. And we're just about on the home stretch. Hang tight. Okay, guys, I think we're about done. Total time was about 15 minutes, but let me just show you what we got. Oh, look at that. Nice and golden brown. So I'm not going to have a taste testing contest, but I am going to plate these up, stack them so you guys can see what they look like. Okay, guys, there you have it. Like I said, we're not going to do a taste test on these today, or not right now, because I want to wait until Hailey makes her recipe, and then we'll do them together and see which potato pancake recipe reigns supreme. So until that time, stay safe and we'll see you then.